Now, you just went through a massive, massive, massive list of everything to consider, and I think it broadens the scope of what it's like to sell the shop. So your shop might be going well with you there. Your employees might be good employees with you there because you're the one answering all the questions constantly. So the systems may not be in place. Those reviews, they're going to be there long after you're gone. And I know several times in working with some of the shop owners that we work with, on a coaching basis, that have purchased shops that had maybe not the greatest of reputation. That lingers for years and years. There are some that have bought shops 3-4 years ago that are still having to mention that they're under new ownership. If you've ever had a bad service advisor or a bad employee, and that little drop of poison in the pond, that lasts for a while and you have to get over it. So when you are getting ready to sell, and that's the reason why, we always say if you're selling a shop within the next, let's say, 3 years or so, this is where you really need to start paying attention to this, because you need to get all these areas right. Because when you sell the shop, you're selling it for a multiple of what the profits are of the business. All of these little things determine what that multiple is. Is it going to be a 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x? If you get everything right, the number goes up, and you're literally doubling and tripling the amount of money that you get back from your life's work of building this business. You don't want to sell a problem. Now, if you're in that situation, as Jerry mentioned, you're a prime target for somebody to swoop in that really knows what they're doing, and they're looking at the opportunity that you've been squandering all these years, so they're buying at minimum dollar. When you're selling on the other end, if this is your retirement, and this is 99% of you guys out there, this is your retirement, you got to make sure that you get this right so that you maximize that, because click a few dials here or there, get all of these areas right, walk away with a lot more money in the bank, and you can go relax and have a really good retirement. Each one of these things are probably a subject in and of themselves that we have to dive deeper and deeper into, because we got to get this right, guys, because you work too long, too hard, put your blood, sweat, and tears into this thing, and you've got to walk away by reaping those rewards. You guys deserve it.